Hey you guys, welcome to my channel. Today it is a Stitchfix unboxing. It has been a couple months maybe. I am definitely due for one of these. I think my last one was like April or so. I can't remember, but I did get this top in it and I love it. It's from One State is the brand, which I have seen at Nordstrom. And I think I actually ordered some stuff off Nordstrom.com because I like it so much. They have just like the flowy kind of tops that are cold shoulder or have like, you know, anyway. So if you wanted to request it, I will try to remember to leave it below. You know what was funny about this month's Stitch Fix? I didn't get the notice. I didn't get the email that says it's on its way. And I just kind of was like, I wonder what's going on with Stitch Fix. And I log into my Stitch Fix account and then it's like, your package is on the way. And that was basically the day before it arrived. And I was so excited. I think I left a very detailed note for Nikki on my last fix for feedback. And I have been pinning stuff to Pinterest like crazy. So I think she didn't bother reaching out to me, or I didn't get that email that says your stylist is about to work with it, blah, 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 anything you want to say, because I don't know. But I also have heard there's some stuff going on in the background of Stitch Fix in terms of just, you know, I think they're really busy. I think they're just hustling to get orders filled. That's my personal opinion, but I don't know. So anyway, I will leave you my referral code in the description box if you haven't tried Stitch Fix before. That gives me a credit if you sign up for it and order your first fix. And then if you share your code with others, you get credit too. So I love it. I love getting credit, and it just makes shopping so much more fun when I get my fixes. Yes, so I'm not gonna lie. I share that code for a reason, you guys. Anyway, okay, so here is the pre-addressed envelope, which I haven't used in a really long time, but I hang on to those because they're handy for you never know what from the mail. And then here is my note, and let's see what Nikki says. By the way, you guys, next week I am going to Disneyland with the family. It is Emma's senior trip, and we are so excited. We never get tired of Disneyland as a family, which I know some people think it's like, why would you go? Because it's insane, but we have a ton of fun. And so, yeah, so I have always wanted to do a video on how I pack because I'm a very efficient suitcase packer. So let me know in the comments if that's something you want to see from me. I'm finding Nikki's note. There it is. Ooh, she left me a long note. Okay. Hi, Rebecca. Happy summer. I hope you're enjoying the warmer weather. Yeah, it's been like hot and then cold. It's been really weird. For this fix, I found you a few vibrant, effortless, chic styles, perfect for being out and about this summer. I think you will love the cotton blend, machine washable, Dear John white short. Dear God, white shorts. No, I'm just kidding. That's the nice thing about having older kids is like, I don't worry about white pants and stuff anymore. I used to. But shorts always freak me out, so we'll have to see about those. It is perfect for going from day to night. Pair it with the bold red Collective Concepts blouse, the Marlyn Schiff hoop, and a pair of white sandals. Brunch, blah, blah, blah. 4th of July. Oh, 4th of July. Look at, oh, I see some very Americana pieces. Another option to pair with the white shorts is the 41 Hawthorne blouse, tassel earrings, and sample gladiator sandals. Can't read. Simple gladiator sandals. I was like, she sent me a sample of gladiator sandals. Coral Faith and Sew machine washable honor off the shoulder dress is perfect for a summer date night. Oh my God. Okay, so she sent me some earrings. Oh my God, a really cute maxi dress. It looks like I got like an outfit around the white shorts with a couple of tops and then a dress. So this could be a very successful fix. But if those shorts don't fit me, then we're in trouble. Frame has changed at all. It's because I had to change my battery and I had to move my camera around for it. So I don't know if I've got it exactly lined up to where it was before. Okay, here are the Marlyn Schiff earrings. I need my price sheet for you guys. They are $34. No, I made that price up. Marlyn Schiff Beky Shimmer Hoop, $28, even better. Didn't I get a necklace last time? No. Oh, these are so pretty. Oh my gosh, you guys, look at the sparkles. They're sparkly. I thought they were just a plain silver hoop. No, they're sparkly and they're bigger than I thought. Okay, let's get the brick out. Oh, I am loving this color scheme right away. Here is the Faith and Zoe Acacia Crochet Trim Maxi Dress. It feels amazing. It has just like this soft rayon feel to it. Love all the little crochet details. I love this. I'm going to live in this, hopefully. I mean, I'm assuming it's fitting me. So it's gonna be fabulous. And I already have a couple pairs of sandals that I bought from the rack. So, oh, you guys, this blue. I think I'm gonna take this whole fix on vacation with me. If this fits me, this is literally just going straight into my suitcase. Look at the color of this blouse. This is the, by the way, that dress is $78. Okay, so this is the 41 Hawthorne Carla crochet detail blouse, more crochet. Look at that color. Love that color. I just love the way this goes. This is just sheer and pretty and beautiful. And it is $58. Which I know when you go to TJ Maxx, you're like, I'm not buying $58. But then if you buy it all and then you get your 25% discount, and if you've had some friends sign up and then you get some credit, sometimes it really works out. So that's, if you figure out how to work the system, then it's worth it. So, but I totally get it, you guys, if you're like, I can go to TJ Maxx or Marshall's and I can find that. So I get it, I do. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. Look at the tassels. Look at my nail polish on how much this matches. Look at these cute tassels. Okay, this is the Collective Concepts Kailey split neck blouse, and it is $58. So that looks nice. It has kind of a, like, it's sheer, you know, it's like the double layer. It's got like a tiny little ruffle right here. I think it's a perfect little flowy number thing. And then here, you guys, the jeans. I mean the shorts, but they're kind of denim-y. They look a little short. Like, I think they'll fit across the booty, but oh my God. The rise, you guys, it's only like a couple inches. I wear Bermudas. I'm scared. Dear John, short, $58. Everything's $58. Okay, you guys, moment of truth. I'm going to try these on for you. Yes. I guess I'll start with the shorts because, okay. This is the red blouse, super cute. You guys have lost a few pounds. I might have to go down to a small for the blouses. We'll see. Looks kind of almost too roomy. Love it. The shorts fit, and it's scary. They fit. They're a little short, like they're not what I'm used to. But you think I'm okay? You think I'm okay? It feels weird having fabric right here. I'm used to fabric right here. This is weird. This feels really weird, but I think I like it. Here's the back. I love this blouse, and I'll tell you why. There is something about it that nips in right here. So it just skims, but it has kind of a slimming effect. I don't know if that looks like that to you, but for me, that's what it looks like. Like, I love having things blousy and that gives me a little length, but without it being kind of a tent. And that's what I feel like in this. I feel like it looks really flattering. I mean, and I love the color and I really like the detail. You guys, it has pockets. I love this. I love this. Oh my God, I love this. This is so cute. I've never had a maxi dress like this. Again, there is something about it that I love because it's roomy, it's comfortable, but it skims. It has this sort of, it just skims over me. I'm really happy with it. I'm sorry that you can't really see the bottom, but it hits me right at the ankle, so it's a great length. It doesn't like, I don't swim in it, but this is cute. And this actually stays down. Normally I'm really bad at keeping my off the shoulder things off the shoulder, but if it didn't, I'm happy with it like this too, you know, like if life happens and it just happens to pop up like that, it's cute. Super cute. Wow, I'm excited. 5 out of 5. Woo-hoo. I have got to wear this dress like today. It is so freaking cute. I'm so excited. So there you guys go. I hope you enjoyed my fix as much as I do. And if you tell me something doesn't work, I will take that criticism into consideration. I don't know why you'd want to rain on this girl's parade though when she feels happy about her new clothes. As always, you guys know I love your comments, and so there you are. And if you are having a vacation or something coming up and you want some new summer clothes, I mean, I promise, put everything in the description box so you can request it from your stylist. If you haven't tried Stitchfix yet, now's the time to do so. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, I really hope you do. Please hit that bell for notifications. And thanks so much for watching. I will see you next time. Bye.